912s.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
We have 9 custom-built U12s, the V2 versions, and we have 3 of the new Sundown Team 10Ks. There is 200, just over 300 amp hour of lithium batteries.
Wow.
A single alternator.
Okay.
That's it.
Nice. And how big is the box and the tuning on it roughly, if you remember?
33 hertz, and there is, you know, it's typical for ported, 1.75 cubes per cell.
Yeah. Okay. Nice. Wow. And it'll do 60 pluses on just this no wall. That's crazy. Yes. Just turn the knob up, man. These amps at 0.6 or 1.3? 0.6, okay. So why'd you go with 912s over any other option?
I just had a bunch of 12s.
Oh, you had some extra?
I had them.
Okay.
It's a good reason.
Yeah. Any cabin work on the roof?
Oh yeah, the roof is there. This thing used to do no wall with 415s like 168s.
Oh, wait, was that the red box? I remember it, yeah.
I built that too for
Really?
Patrick.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I built both the boxes.
Really?
I built his musical box and then I built his loud box.
Louder box,
and I still have that too.
Okay. You got a lot of builds you worked on, man.
Yeah, I need to get rid of some of them. Nobody wants a build, they'll sell this one for 16s.
16 grand?
Yep.
All right, wow.
Less than what the equipment's worth.
Yeah. I appreciate it, Loud Grandpa, man.
I got a video of the van yesterday.
The van? Is it doing crazy good, or is it having issues now, or did you blow something, or?
Oh, no. Yeah, that's, let me see, I think somebody shared it.
Jesus, that's a lot of cone area for no wall.
Daily. This is what I take my
daily?
daughter to school in.
Wow, okay. They're crazy, dude. Yeah, I want to look inside. Those 4.6s? Yeah. Are those just SAs?
Yeah, custom built used.
Okay. Is it alright if I put my camera right here to look in? Wow.
I've been sitting here on the cold shelf for the last 20 minutes.
Dang. It's good.
It's still ready to go.
It's gonna all break apart. Yeah. Is the amps right here?
That one might not be open.
These are the.
And all the lithium's up underneath of it.
I'll come here with you. Wow. Man. That's crazy. 25.
Use discount code JacobViral when you shop